From household appliances to solar power components, electrical engineering is a powerful driver of Uzbekistan's economy, fueling new business, jobs and exports. But what about global trade challenges as the sector eyes further growth? Hello and welcome to the programme. Uzbekistan's electrical engineering sector has grown eightfold in the past 5 years, employing more than 85,000 people. Last year, the industry produced more than 2.1 billion euros worth of goods, with exports making up just over half that value. More than 70 countries are now being reached. We've been to a high-tech hub in the capital, Tashkent. Manufacturing on a mammoth scale. This is Technopark. It brings together 17 production facilities, covering an area bigger than 60 football pitches.
We specialize on production of home appliances, commercial appliances, industrial heating and cooling solutions, and construction products. Right now, we've reached the capacity of around 1.4 million items manufactured annually.
A 5,000-strong workforce makes it happen, working alongside the latest in production technology.
Various technologies are assembled in one place, starting from raw material and component production, like injection molding, metal processing equipment, and also the final processes like electronic assembly, laboratories, and assembly lines.
Technopark has sealed partnerships with big international companies like Samsung Electronics and Italy's Pietro Fiorentini, which works in the energy sector. It supplies both domestic and foreign markets, with exports going to 25 countries.
Right now, we already export to the nearby countries of the Middle East. We already entered to the European market, and our ambitious to go to the US market as well. Within this year even, we already targeted to make our trial and pilot export to US market.
Also in Tashkent, this maker of wires and cables, including for solar power, already sends around 60% of its products abroad. Now a loan from the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development is set to supercharge its exports further.
Назначение этих денег – приобретение новых технологических линий и новых материалов, в результате чего мы планируем увеличить экспорт кабельной продукции в европейские страны процентов на 40 в 2025 и 2026 годах.
To keep pace with production demands, the company is creating a training center for technical specialists.
Мы сейчас подписали соглашение с Национальным техническим университетом Узбекистана. Мы здесь откроем совместную кафедру, и выбранные нами студенты час обучения будут проходить на нашей территории.
All feeding a sector aiming to reach annual export volumes of almost 2.7 billion euros. Let's speak now to Mirziod Yunusov, who represents the electrical engineering sector. Mirziod, why all this expansion and why now?
As you know, the Uzbekistan is a landlocked country. So what the government tasked to us is to switch our export from traditional goods to more high added value products.
And how about global trading challenges?
We see these challenges as opportunities for our industry. Why? Because we have local talents, we have raw materials, and we have a very good agreement with the European Union. So what we are trying to do is to invite international partnership, produce it locally, process it locally, and go not only for the regional market as well as for the European market.
Mirziod, thank you very much indeed for joining us. Well, that's all we have time for in this edition, but there's more business news at euronews.com. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.